Good evening. Hello everyone, today I've got an unboxing video of this new Canon PIXMA Ink Efficient G3770 in red. It's a wireless compact all-in-one printer. So yeah, let's take a look around the box before going inside of it. Okay, so on the front of the box it says Canon Compact Refillable Ink Tank Wireless All-in-One, picture of the printer, some specs down below. Right here you have the color and black bottle numbers for the ink, and right here you can print 6,000 pages in black and 7,700 pages in color. Right up here it says wireless print copy scan, as well as the variant and the color. Okay, so on the left of the box it says Canon, some printer information right here. Down below it says it works with Apple AirPrint. You have some box information right here, what comes inside the box, wireless print copy scan, and the variant and color is right up here. The back of the box is pretty much the same as the front, just that the picture of the printer has been replaced by a picture of somebody using the printer. On the right of the box, it says the printer has 2 years warranty, that's the shipping information, and right here you have the app QR code, the variant name, wireless print copy scan, barcode, serial number, and all that stuff. There's nothing on the bottom of the box. While on the top of the box it says Canon. On the top left we have the compact refillable ink tank wireless all-in-one in several languages. On the top right you have the variant and color, wireless print copy scan in several languages, and down here we have the system requirements and how many pages you can print in color and black and white on standard print mode and economy print mode. And as you open the box, you are greeted with some pictures that tells you how to carry the printer out of the box. Okay, so as you open up the box, we are greeted by the printer in the middle. And right up here, we have the yellow bottle ink. The magenta ink bottle, not bottle ink. The cyan ink bottle. And the black ink bottle. We also have the startup guide, safety and important information, and some sort of notice. We also have more paperwork right here, a CD, and a leaflet for poster artists, whatever that is. There's nothing else in here. You have all the pieces, and right here we have the power cable, as well as the cartridge for the ink. Alright, and that's the printer out of the plastic wrapping. I think I forgot to mention this earlier on, but inside the box there's also this USB cable that allows you to connect the printer to your computer if you ever need to do that instead of using the wireless function. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of this new Canon PIXMA Ink Efficient G3770 in red. Thanks for watching and goodbye.